Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new YouTube video. Today we have a slime restock video, and if you're interested in purchasing any of the slimes in this video, make sure to check out the link in our description. This first one is Rainbow Froyo. It's a pink cloud cream slime that comes with a 1 ounce butter slime topping. It also comes with various Froyo toppings, and it also has an amazing rainbow sherbet scent. Sherbet, whatever you want to call it. Slime's amazing. Peach Fuzz is a light pink orange Icee that comes with peach slices, and the peach scent on this one is amazing. One of our OG slimes, which is watermelon shaved ice. This slime, I can't get enough of it. It's so crunchy. The scent, watermelon is one of my favorite scents ever. Cookies and Cream is a perfect slime for beginners. It's a cloud cream. It's so holdable and soft, and everybody loves the Cookies and Cream scent, and I can't blame them. This new one is Shirley Temple. It's a red jelly slime that comes with a 1 ounce Icee topping, as well as an ice cube charm and a cherry charm. This comes with an amazing cherry soda scent, and I just love the creativity of this one. Shirley Temples were my thing back then. Bubble Bath is a blue semi-foam slime that comes with a layer of crunchy beads as well as a duck charm. It has a Hawaiian punch scent, and I love the initial crunch, and just it's so realistic to a bubble bath in my opinion. This next slime is Matcha Latte. It's a new one, and I've been getting matcha lattes recently from Starbucks, and I love them. But this is a cloud cream slime that comes with a 1 ounce whipped cream topping and an ice cube charm, and it has a green tea scent, of course. This one is so relaxing. You won't regret getting it for yourself. This is another one of our OG bestsellers, and you know, who doesn't know Dole Whip? If you haven't tried Dole Whip, it's so good, and this slime is so thick and glossy. I love the sprinkles in this one. It's simple, but it's so good. This is Super Mario Mushroom, and this is a juicy blue jelly slime, and it comes with mushroom and rainbow sprinkles. It has a game controller charm, and it has another rainbow sherbet scent. This has to be one of the cutest slimes ever. This is Bamboo Crunch, and it's a green snowfish slime that comes with panda sprinkles and a panda charm, and it has spearmint eucalyptus as the scent. It's so good.